Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is background design. So let's start and make a background design. First of all, I will fix here something and it will be my design. So let's see. First of all, go for the selection tool. Then I will select the the typographical letter and now I will delete Background. Sorry, here is a problem. Background. Background design. Then I'll fix it here. Fix here. And now I will make it reverse position and also make it reverse position. How it look like? I don't know how it look like, but I think it's a cool thing. So now I will change this color. Change this color. Mm, I will make it black, and this sorry, these two should be white, but I will make here a stroke. How it look like? I think it's look very good. It's look very good to see. You can see this is a different type of design. You see, and now I will go for the main function, which is background design. So go to the new file and select the template. I will, for the background I will take the 1280 into 420. 1280 into 420. So create it here. Create a artboard. Then what I have done here, I will copy it. I will copy it and I will make here paste. So here you can see I will copy its another. Sorry, here is a problem. Yeah, I think that is perfect. That is perfect here. So and now when I will write a letter, suppose I will write a letter which is and Lorem Ipsum, and it should be it should be the it should be black, but when I will change this color, suppose I will make it white, and give a stroke here. Now how it look like? I think it looked very good to see. Lorem ipsum, and it is white color, and here you can see background design, and you can also make it and opacity, decrease your opacity, then how it look like. It look very good. It look very good. I will show you more things. Now I will do some work which is opacity decrease. Make it decrease opacity. Yeah, this is same. Now, sorry. Um, oh, it's fine. It's fine. And now you can make a copy of it, which is Lorem Ipsum, and this is the copy of background, and this is how I you make a background properly. You make a background properly. You can see here how to make background design, and you can also here some change, make some change, which is opacity. Yeah, opacity down. How it look like? I think it's look very good. This is the background design, and over here I will make something new for you. That is, I will fix here something. I will fix here. How to fix? You have to go to the object position, then go to the lock and selection tool, and then it is locked. So over here you can do something new. You can make it many things, which is topic. Make a topic here. Make a topic here, and which will be 36. Make it 36, and this should be here. And now this is your company. This is your company name, and here you can write down many things, whatever you want. So I will write here, and I will first of all I will make here smaller. So here you can see, here you can see how it look like. Let's see another design. What is I will give a stroke here, and make it color change, which will be the white. How it look like? How it look like? No, it's own any difference for you want, but it is a problem here. You can see, but it's oil. And now go to the first design what I've done, and here I'll fix it here. I'll save it down. I think it is safe. Yeah, it is saving. Now I will make here export, which will be the PNG format, and PNG format, and replace it with the post, I think it is saved. So for the talking, you can change its color in many ways. I'll change this color. What a way the you know how it look like. It's damn good. You can see it's damn good. And I'll change here something what is black. Is there anything changed? Yeah, this color is look very good to see, and it is brightful. It's brighter than the first. You can see here, and this is the design of today's class. I'll show you more things on the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all. Do subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.